Yo guys, it's Friday night and I'm making my favorite dish right now growing up as a kid. My mama made it the best, but I think it's time I make it the best. Homemade Bo Kho English Vietnamese beef stew. Let's go take a look at it and see how it's looking. I think we're just about done. Woo. It's basically boiling. Yeah, it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna demolish this thing. Good for a few days of food. And it's almost Valentine's Day, so ladies, you know, if you're single and you like young, handsome Asian guys who can cook and is fun and can maybe get frisky, holla at your boy. Take care, guys.